2, 3.
Nakikita niyo ba yung difference sa mukha namin sa first sem tsaka second sem?
Mas lalong fresh.
Fresh. Parang wala kami pinagdadaanan sa buhay. Kasi talaga.
So this is the first time I'll be talking in this video. I've been like so busy. Today I have to read. I have my readings here and I have to read it. I finished my homework already. Pero imagine I've written like a lot. Pero wala na nakapapasok. So guys, yun lang, anyway, so I just got home. We went out, we ate dinner. Actually, we went to church and then ate dinner to celebrate, I guess. My brother passed his exam, so did his girlfriend. So we went out, we ate, and then now I'm home. And I want to sleep. I'm so tired, you guys. My class starts at like 8 tomorrow, but I'm not gonna take videos because I'm just like so lazy. Also, I don't know when I can post this, but I still have to edit the third episode for my podcast, and then I don't know. This is the first time I'm talking in this vlog. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be talking a lot, but I will see you in the next clip.
paparazzi. Sinurprise na din ako. Ako na lang magkakwento. Ganito guys, makinig kayo sa akin. Sinurprise din ako. Ang kaso, hindi nakabukas ang cake. Kaya ngayon, nag-aaway-aaway sila kung paano nila bubuksan yung cake, kung paano nila ilalagay yung kandila. Tapos ngayon, walang Pasko. Nag-surprise pa ako, mali-mali talaga. Minsan, appreciate mo na lang. Kasi nag-effort nila. Pero hindi nila malagyan ng apoy. Mali nila. Lagay mo yan sa vlog. Happy birthday! Thank you!
Hey guys. We're currently in a wait. We're gonna eat outside for dinner. Hey guys, so I bought this for 14 pesos. Let's try this. Straight to the car. We're gonna interview strangers, like it's part of our activity. Like specifically engineering students actually, like from the opposite sex. And we're currently in OZ. So our situation right now, oh my god, they're interviewing na already.
Ate ko ginawa naman tayo.
Anyway, ano masasabi mo sa experience mo mag-interview?
Bakit namasahan yung kwento?
Hindi na maulit, pero alam mo sa tanong isang sagot.
Hi guys! Ang lamig!
Sino ulit namin sa office nakahay yung aircon?
Yung naka-effects na ano na ko. We're here you guys. Sobrang lamig. Wow! Top mo vlogger. We're here, Hannah. Ang lamig. Dami ko ng clips. Matuwa na kayo sa akin.
Lagi nakahayang aircon.
Malamig.
Malamig.
Tahimik.
Tahimik. Walang polusyon.
Puno ng pangarap.
Walang hindi mapangi.
Nakapidyo ako. First meal of the day, bulalo, gulay, and then Shanghai, and then rice. How about you?
Paubos na gulay, na chop suey, and then chicken. Chicken siya.
Then for drinks, we have coffee.
Hey guys, welcome. Nasa Baguio na kami. Sa Baguio na kami.
Sa Baguio, nasa Japan tayo.
Ay, nasa Japan po kami. Yes. You want play? Saan ka magbe-play? Diyan, play ka dyan. Dito kami sa Baguio guys. Yun lang. May masasabi ka ba?
Wala. Lamig eh.
Ang lamig nga eh.
Ito pala nagdala tayo speaker, tapos mapatugtog mamaya sa ano.
Ay, oo nga no. Bayan.
Hi, Mom. Itong portion na to ay para sa'yo. Kay Mother Albrick. Dala kita sa Baguio, Ma. Yes!
We're here ulit guys.
Hi guys. So we're currently in Baguio right now. And malamig po.
And may klase po kami. Welcome to my life.
National University Las Marinas. Hindi pa po natatapos yun dahil buwan po ng February. Itong kakantahin po namin ito. Sino po muna ang mga love dito? Taas ang kamay. At kung alam niyo po itong kantang to, sabayan niyo po kami. At makisayaw din po kayo. Tayo po tayo naman.
I'm currently in the bathroom and I'm gonna talk about my experience. First of all, I do not socialize much now. This event really drains my social battery. Wow! Hi guys! We're here at the hotel. In the room. Hi!
Take the boxes.
What can you say about your experience, guys? What happened?
winner. Winner siya. Then, tapos, we have here our toiletries and everything. May hinahider din kaya ito. Toothbrush. And then, sabon. And then, shampoo. For sure. Bilog kasi siya. Pisil-pisil. Ay, may saksakan din. Blow dryer. Nice, nice. Ito. Makikita nyo ito. Ito. Basta ito. Then, kapag ilalagay nyo ito, do not disturb. Then, towels, guys. Tapos, slippers. Sabi sa'yo meron. May ilaw. May tao sa loob. Well, so dito naman nila yung motor and everything yung ilalagay yung damit. Tapos, ito naman ang aming trash can na wala pang laman. Kasi, hindi naman kami basurot. Water, kettle, basta electric kettle. And then mug. Ay, may coffee. Wala kayo. May coffee, guys. And then, ay, isa pa tayo. Siguro ano na, hati-hati na lang tayo sa ano. Then, mirror, vanity. Sa vanity naman, meron tayong drawer. Ito ilalagay. Hindi na Hebron. Video. Ha? Video. Dapat sa mga ulam dyan, mga kabataan. Eh, baliktad.
Chat na lang. Chat tayo.
Dati, anong inaay mo? Hi guys. Ayun na mag-call tayo. Ito yung fake.
Gusto ko yung check pa rin si Ate Ashley.
「
tapos na kayo sa draft 1. Ito gagawin.
Pang seryoso na. Sobrang seryoso. Wait lang, 100 wishes to guys, kaya bukas pa tayo matagay.
Oy, kita mo doon yung icon mo, yung contact laser. Uy, sali mo kami sa college tayo. Bumangon ka! Bumangon ka! Wait lang ba?
Hi, Hannah. Hi, Mika. Tulong-tulong sila ganyan. Hindi madala ko.
Pinali mo dito eh. Back.
This is us.
1K.
Okay. Ah. Hindi pa Discord na lang.
Dito sa Falcon.